to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. We'll make a sandcastle, build it nice and high. Or we could fly a kite way up in the sky. Then we can play catch, throw around the ball. There's so much that we could do, I want to do it all. Let's go to the beach. 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 We'll look for seashells buried in the sand. Draw pictures with a stick or even just our hand. We'll make some footprints as we walk along the shore. We'll take a break and have a snack, and then we'll play some more.